In this video, I'm going to show you how to increase generator limit in your territory in Once Human. So, as you probably know, there's a generator limit inside your territory. However, there's a way to actually increase it up to 3. So to plus 3 generators to what the default is, which the default I think is 5. If we take a look, yes, as you can see at the top of my screen, the default is 5. However, the maximum you can have that I figured out is you can have 8. Now the way you can do this is pretty much, I mean, you can get up to 5 using a mimetic, and you can get up to I think 7 or 8, I'm not sure right now, I think it's 7, using mimetic specialization. So that's RNG basically. Now the first thing you can do is open up inventory, mimetics, and go inside mimetics, and then go inside infrastructure. Now when you scroll down, you will see over here on the left under 4 transcendence power upgrade 1. Okay, and now here it increases the maximum number of personal territory generators by +1, and you also unlock the biomass generator, which is quite cool. Now after you do this, I have it unlocked, as you can see, and I currently have 5 generators, which means you can do 2 more. Okay, so yes, 7 is the maximum. I said 8 earlier, excuse me. Now the way you can do this is by unlocking mimetic specializations. Now, if you go inside mimetics, you want to click specializations up here, and you want to look for 2 of these. Now, I don't have these because this is, as I said, completely random. You can get it or not. It depends on, it's basically random. Some players get it, some players don't. You can reset it and try to get it. However, it's quite hard. Now, what you can do is unlock these 2, which are called, the first one is called Generator Electrical Expert, which will give you +1 generator in your territory. I can't show it because I don't have it, unfortunately. And it will also give you, I think, +2 watts of power per generator or something like that. And then the second one is called Hydraulic Generator, one with the tides. Now that specialization will also give you +1 generator and anywhere between 0 to 7 watts of power, if I'm not mistaken, extra per generator, which is quite nifty. But of course, it's completely RNG. You will have to get it or reset multiple times if you want to actually get it and not get lucky. Now, that's pretty much it. That's how to expand your generator limit inside your territory. I hope this video helped you out, and if it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.